how to make a YouTube video beginner's tutorial. My name's Alan Hart and my channel is about plumbing and heating, but I've always been asked how I make my videos, so I thought I'd just show you. I thought I'd do a video and show you how I do them with a battered old iPhone. So if you have a look there, that iPhone smashed to bits. I'm also going to show you how to put these up here so we can share the love together, and also I'm going to show you how to add this, which is like and share. So if you like my videos, please like them, please share them, and please help build my channel. And if you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below. I'm also going to show you how to do this. So if you see there now, I've put the picture over the top of my talking. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Move that back out of the way, and I'm still here. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish. So I've got first of all I've got my iPhone. So I use my iPhone, and then I've got a tripod and a stand that I use. So I'll just show you that now. So if you just see there, I've got the camera and it's forward facing. I've just got a tripod, and then what I do, I transfer this data into iMovie. So I have no special knowledge with this. I've just picked it up as I've gone, so I'm no expert, but I do feel that I now can do fairly good videos. So what I'll do then is I'll see my video there that we've just recorded, and if I click on there, on that button there, and it gives the option for, don't know if you can see that, oops, gone. It gives the option for airdrop, and then on airdrop there it gives us some options. So I'm going to send it to my iPad, and then when I send it to iPad, the video just goes onto there, and then we can edit that video, and I'll show you that now. One thing to point out really is I've no special equipment, so I've no special lights and I've no special microphones, and you know, maybe they could improve my videos, but to be honest, I'm not bothered about my videos being super professional. And one thing I wanted to tell you as well is don't look at the screen. So I've learned this: if you look at the screen, then your eyes are not in the right place. You need to actually look into the camera. So wherever your camera lens is, over here, that's where you need to be looking. Otherwise it just looks a bit silly. So now what we'll do, we'll bob down to this video and I'll show you the editing of it. So the first thing we need to do, we need to find iMovie. Just click into iMovie and then click on the plus button. Click on movie, and there's different options in there, and then on the bottom here you see create movie, and that's the one I click to get in. So I'm going to just show you now just some basic clips to start with. So we'll add the basic clips into the video, and then I'll show you how to edit them and move them around, and then what I'll do is I'll show you how to put stuff over the top and all that type of stuff as well. So if we just click into video, and one of the videos that we've already put on will come up on the right hand side. It does take, sometimes it takes a minute or two just to load in, and then you've got recently added. Click into recently added, and you might have some other things in there, but if we click on any of these videos here and just click on the plus button, and then now we've got that in here, and we can edit this however we like. So say for instance we want to cut this part out here, just click onto it, click on the split button there, and as we can see it's now split. If we want to, if we click on the first part, we could, if we want, we could delete that. So if we go on to delete, bottom right hand side, and we've deleted that first part of it, So that's how you add the clip to start with. Also with this clip, we can, if we click into the clip, we can detach the audio on it, and we can split it, we duplicate it, and we can do whatever we want in this. So that's the basic adding the clip to start with, and also if you want to add other clips. And what we'll do now, we'll move on to a little bit more advanced. I did the last section with screen record. So if you have a look there, what I've done is I've got my original video there, and then I've put a screen record over the top. And a lot of you probably know how to do this, but with an iPad, if you click on the corner here and pull down, you get an icon. If you have a look at that icon there, and you click on that icon, that will record the screen. And then once you've recorded what you want to record and you turn that off, it'll save that recording, and then you can add it into the videos. And then once you've added it into the videos, you can put a screen record over the top. So I'll just show you how to do that now. I'll just delete that off from there. So if we just click on there and then just click on delete, so that's off now, and then that's just going to show you the video, what I've done. And then if we want to add something over the top of that, so if I just go to another video, just go to any video, these, as I said, these take, I've got so much content on here, it takes quite a while to load up. Right, so that's loaded up now, and if we click on any of the videos, whatever we want to put over the top of this, and I'm sorry for poor quality here, but it's just easy for me to show you. So if you click on the video, it gives you a plus, it gives you like to press play, and then 3 little dots. If you click on the 3 little dots there, and then it gives you some options in here, and the option we want to start with, we're going to do cutaway, and then that goes over the top of it. And then if we have a look now, what happens is click on play now, and you'll see the video is showing the top, and then it goes back. And you can move that about, and you can make it so that as you're speaking, you can add clips over the top. I'll put it over the top now, and then delete it, and then add it on and delete it. And you can do whatever you want with that. So it's a really good feature. What we'll do now, we'll look at the other options. So when you click on the other options, what they mean as well. One thing to point out as well, this is for beginners. As you get better, then you may decide that you want to use microphones and extra lighting and all that type of stuff. And that might be something that I do eventually. But I think my videos are okay, so, watch this video and see what you think, and add some comments and let me know. But yeah, let's bob into this bit now, and I'll show you some other options on editing. So if we click on any other image, we can see it's got the plus. So the plus just adds it. If we click on the image again, we've got the play, and the play just plays it. If we click on the 3 dots, cutaway adds it above, and then again click on the 3 dots, picture in picture. So picture in picture adds it there. So if we click on that now, click up here, and we can move this around. So this is the image that I showed you where it says like and share, and also the image where it says sharing the love. So you can do this as a video, or you can do it as a picture. So that's picture in picture. So now we click on it again, split screen. So you can also do split screen. So when you go in, you can see now, you see there, it goes on to split screen. Just stop that, and then click on it again, green blue screen. So if we click on that, if you had an image that you'd done as for a green screen, you could click on that. Also audio only, so if you wanted just to add the audio from the video, you could just add that, and then that goes up bottom here. And again, we can anything that we don't want, we can just delete. That's how I make a YouTube video. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below. Also, if you've got any advice for me to make me improve, then yeah, that'd be great. I really I would welcome any advice. And as always, if anybody wants to get in touch, if you want to do a video together, let's do a video together. Anything that we can do to help other people. So yeah. All right, well, I hope this was useful, and thanks very much for watching.